Welcome to Alton Towers Resort. We are back here for a Nemesis update. Now, the track is going up thick and fast. When we get inside the park, you'll see that the loop, the turnaround, and indeed the roll over the station have been pretty much completed. But there is still track outside as well, which we want to have a look at. Now, you'll notice that we're in a different car park. The track was down in the bottom car park, it's now up here. And we can see as well that supports have come over, like literally just been taken over there as on a lorry to be put there. But look at all these, look. I'll tell you what, bearing in mind what's been done, I'm not convinced there's that much more to arrive, to be honest. Now, of course, we know they have the drop coming out of the lift hill down into the roll and then down to the helix, and that is all the track there. In fact, you can see this is number 15. You can see the supports are for number 12, sorry, for number 11. So these are going to be sort of around the drop area. We've definitely seen with the numbers, we saw it as well as Jumanji with the numbers, that you know, the lower ones start coming out. I'm guessing number one's going to start coming out the lift hill rather than you know, the lift hill itself, because obviously they haven't replaced that. So 11 may be down as far as the actual roll itself, and I have to say from looking across it doesn't look like the roll is here yet. In the last couple of weeks, loads has happened here at Nemesis. Absolutely loads. Scaffolding, the jet washing of the lift hill really commenced in honesty, but as you just seen from the previous shots, the loop is now in. That's gone in over the last couple of over the last week. And of course the roll over the station has gone in the last day or so. Of course the turnaround point is also in.
590113003. Scientific testing is in progress at
As we said, a lot of work is ongoing on the lift hill area. It's been polished. Actually, the lift hill looks brand new, to be fair, even though we know it's not. It's expected all the electronics are taken off and it will be painted obviously the same colour as the rest of the track. Here's another view of the work on the lift hill, and indeed what is actually the beginning of the roll here. Of course, these pieces we've looked at in the car park over the last month or so. So we end up outside Alton Towers where we started. It's actually starting to rain now as well. Inside it's been busy all day. There's been track bits and movement all day long. We've got some shots from inside. I hope you've enjoyed those. And yeah, still waiting for bits. It's quite interesting it's up here now, but Yeah, can't wait, can't wait. Are you starting to like the look of the Nemesis track now it's finally here? Please let us know in the comments below. If you've liked the video, please drop it a like. It doesn't cost anything, it means the world to us. But from what is about to be a very, very wet Alton Towers, that's your Nemesis update for July.